The ZONESUN ZS-VTXG1 is an automatic tracking capping machine designed for high-speed, precision sealing of bottles with various cap sizes. Featuring a servo-controlled capping head, pneumatic cap placement, and a UV-sterilized cap elevator, it ensures hygienic and efficient operation. With a working speed of 30 to 40 bottles per minute and customizable conveyor dimensions, this system is ideal for medium to large-scale production lines in food, cosmetics, chemical, and pharmaceutical industries.